2025 M4 CS, not a regular M4. You can see right there, M4 CS, custom badged in the grille. You can tell it's a CS with the red pinstriping. We got a big ass fucking hole in that Hummer over there making all that noise. But back to the Focus, this Laguna blue or whatever the hell color this is, M4 CS. Carbon hood, custom painted over. Fucking loud ass Hummer, ruining the shot. But yeah, beautiful color on this thing. You see the yellow lights, pretty infamous of these BMW front ends. Carbon everywhere. Carbon front lip, carbon inserts. Not a carbon grille though, which is kind of weird. I would slap that carbon grille on there. I think you just have to remove this CS, maybe have them custom set it. But carbon, the whole front end, carbon hood, like I said, painted. This thing is crispy. Probably one of the nicest M4s I've ever seen at the shop. I mean, what more could you say? Look at this thing. Carbon roof, carbon mirrors, carbon on the inside. The whole car is carbon. Carbon. This whole tub, carbon. Seats, carbon. Like, look at these things. Carbon tubs. M4 CS, guys. This is not a regular M4. This is not your regular 2022 base M4. M4 CS. You can see it says CS on the seats, guys. Boom. Super crispy. Got a fingerprint on that. I'm gonna wipe that down. But yeah, these are probably the sickest bucket seats I've ever seen. Got the carbon inserts on it. Like I said, carbon roof, carbon rear wing, carbon rear diffuser. The new 2026 laser taillights. Everybody loves. I mean, the color, the spec, the little red trim on the M logos, I think is perfect. It's one of the nicest M4s I've ever seen. Completely specced out to the T. Not my favorite exhaust system we slapped on there, but we did it because we install whatever the customer wants. You want this brand, you want that brand, preferably you rock our brand, the G exhaust brand. We would have saved them $2,000 on that system, whatever he paid for it. So same setup. We could get you titanium, we could get you cap pad and stainless. We do downpipes for you if you want. Pretty much everything we could do for you at G Exhaust is a fraction of the cost what you would normally pay anywhere else. So if you got an M4 like that, no carbon side skirts, which is weird, huh? I think that's all you really need. The carbon skirts, maybe these little fucking things in carbon, I think would be pretty sweet. But yeah, man, besides that, the car's sitting super pretty. We just slapped this catback exhaust on there. Sounds decent. I thought it could sound a little bit better. There's a couple other brands I really like. Like I said, the G exhaust catback #1. AWE has a really nice setup for it. It's nice, clean, deep, aggressive when you need it because it's valve control. They also have a touring exhaust, which is straight, no valves, but then a track exhaust that's straight piped, which is fucking outrageous. Don't really recommend it on these raspy ass engines. So, and then you got some other high-end brands like Capristo, FI, Army Tricks, you name it. We have wholesale accounts with everybody. So if you're looking for a system, air intake, downpipes for a car like this, your M2, M3, M4, M5, we got setups for you guys available pretty much all year round. We run in sales. So hit us up if you're interested. I'm gonna give you guys some revs. You guys let me know if it's too raspy. Does it sound good? Does it sound like shit? Let us know your opinion. Would you do this system on your car?